We found some areas of restriction right in here in the upper cervicals. Very good, okay? So we're adjusting through the areas of restriction here, okay? I want you to relax here. We're palpating again, adjusting through the area of restriction. Very good. Let me have you lay face down right here for me. We're gonna adjust through here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Relax right here for me. Good, okay. Same thing right over here. Very good, okay. Relax right here for me. Okay. Very good. Okay, bilateral. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you rotate facing the opposite way. Let me have you take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good.
All right, we'll start right here. I'll have you take a nice deep breath all the way in. Let that air all the way out and just relax on the table. Here we go. That feel okay?
I feel great.
Good. Definitely some tightness in your back. Work must have been a little bit stressful today. Doing okay so far? Mm-hmm. All right. Perfect. Have you go ahead and flip to that other side too. Twisty up here. There we go. On your back. All right, so we'll go ahead and do that neck adjustment now. I'm just going to tip your head over to the left side. Have you relax nice and heavy. Very good. Same thing on the left over here.
Just put a towel here so my hands don't slide, okay? Take some breaths in and out. Good. 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 Breathe in. Breathe out. These are adjustments for the fixation I found when he was sitting up.
All right, now we're going to go ahead and take a nice deep breath through your nose. There you go. See how I got down low and level with that? There you go. Take some deep ones. Yeah. And let me have your head completely. Wiggle your right big toe. Okay, that's not it. There it is. Okay. No, you're not letting me have you. Just let it go right in my hand. Wiggle your left big toe. There you go. Good. And just exhale there. Jared came in and got to see one of our big NFL players leaving. We take care of some big boys here, don't we, Joseph?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, keep breathing. Whenever you get your business app up and running, we'll let you give a big plug for that, too.
Yeah, so you can't even turn your neck this way. Nice and relaxing. Just let it go right there. Good. You okay? Mm-hmm. Good. Good, right there. Good. Good.
There you go. Okay. Just like that. See, that was smooth as silk. Good. Perfect. Exhale. Exhale. There we go. Good. Okay. There we go. She always likes those. There we go. Good.
All right, Cap, give me a deep breath for me. Beautiful. Perfect. Oh, now you can breathe, bud. Deep breath for me. Oh, yeah. Relax. Man. Oh, wow. Good. My goodness. All right. Nice. Ready? Relax for me. Nice. One more. Oh, nice.
Okay.
We are very straight shooters here. We tell the truth in everything that we do. And that's the only kind of people I like dealing with, is truthful, honest people. Not scammers and people that steal my money. Okay, exhale. There we go. That's it. Okay, I got one more here. I can feel it. Yep. You feel that one?